All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor light. It's water resistant, it's made for outdoors. It gets enough sun through the day and it'll last you all night. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor solar light, and look at this one. Everything's included in here. Let's set it out so you guys can see the whole thing. So it does have a day to night mode. It has a sensor, so anybody who walks in by a couple feet, it has a timer with the remote. And look at this, the actual pole is embedded in the actual system itself. You have to lock it in with the screw. So put this on the side. We're gonna set it up right now and see how it looks. So for concrete, all right, they give you the screw to screw it up so it won't have to drop by for the pole to lock in. So we're gonna set this up right now, and including the remote itself. So on the remote, it's very simple: on, off, different light modes. You could turn it down, lower it down. You could put 2 hours, the sensitivity. You could turn off the sensitivity, the sensor. You could turn it on, so forth. The control is very simple, very small. One control. They include the batteries. We're gonna set it up and see how it looks. Today we're gonna bring the light, and we just put it over our actual pool, and we're gonna turn it on. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And this is pretty much what it's gonna light up the entire area here. The light is really powerful, really bright. Now the control itself is very simple. Like I say, explain it. I can't even see it here, but I'm gonna show you guys how bright it is. Let me turn it off. I'm gonna stand back here, and I'm gonna stand. We'll go to that stair, the ladder, and you'll see me from there. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.